Welcome to the San Diego County Office of Education's CSET English Subtest IV preparation course. View this short informational video in order to best utilize this course to prepare for your test. Start by reviewing the content domain so you know what will be tested. Practice writing answers on one of the practice tests without researching first. Since you will be typing on the actual test day, the best suggestion is to type your answers in a Google or Word document if you are able. Time yourself. Spend no more than the 1 hour and 30 minutes allotted to complete the test. After typing or writing your answers to the two constructed responses, review the sample answers provided. Ensure your answers are at least 75 to 125 words each and adequately cover all parts of the prompt. Gauge your understanding of the content by checking sample answers, and you can also click the Resources and Glossary tabs on this site for more information. Finally, do something with the material. Create flashcards, write notes, make up hand motions. Do whatever will help you remember the content. For English Subtest IV, you will be logging into the test and you have the option to complete a tutorial for up to 10 minutes that will show you how to use the testing system. It is recommended that you use this tutorial. As previously mentioned, you will have 1 hour and 30 minutes to complete this exam. There is a time remaining clock in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Use that to pace yourself. This test is comprised of 4 constructed responses, which will cover analysis and application of communication in speeches, presentations, narratives, media, and also dramatic performances. When you reach the testing site, you will be given optional resources such as headphones, earplugs, and a whiteboard with marker or other things so that you can take notes or lessen distractions in the testing area. It is recommended to take these resources so you have them if you need them, and also use the whiteboard to outline your thoughts and notes before you begin writing to best utilize your time and organize your answers. After you have taken the CSET English Subtest IV, it will take at least 3 weeks and usually up to about a month or a month and a half, depending on when you take the exam into the testing cycle, to receive your results. Make sure to go to the CTC exam site to see when your results will be released. If you select it when you sign up to take the test, your results can be sent to the CTC or any other institution, and also yourself if you sign up for that when you register for the test. Good luck, and remember, you can take retakes of this test if necessary.